Thank you for joining us again for this edition of our video and our discussion. Now, today I'll be taking you through something very important, which is talking about the Strait of Hormuz and what you should know from the onset of this crisis. The strait has remained the most important disputed aspect of the crisis. And so, what I am bringing to you right now is a discussion, it's an in-look into what is at stake, what you should know, and how this relates with international relations. And that is our objective this afternoon. Now, the first thing is that the first thing for us to discuss and to underscore is that the real battle for the Strait of Hormuz is what everybody is struggling to make use of. Now, before the war, we did not know much about the Strait of Hormuz. That's the first thing. Before the war, we did not know much. Yet, not now. What is Hormuz? Why the world's most contested checkpoint? This has become the world's most contested checkpoint. And that is very, very important. Now, I want to run you through a series of important points that we should underscore. Now, why the 21-mile strip of Hormuz runs the economy? Now, you need to understand that approximately 20% of the world's oil and gas, that's natural liquid gas, moves through this strait. Now, imagine that the world's most important oil or resource is passing at 21% or 20% passes through. More than 130 plus vessels used to pass through this strait every day. That is a huge number. And approximately 10 vessels a day now. So that number has dropped significantly from 130 to, which means it's approximately 30 or 20 or 15 to 20 to 30%. That's actually passing. Now, this brings us to the important point that we want to discuss, which is if the world passes through or the oil passes through this, and this is what is happening, what is at stake?